Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go to solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is for 2000 AMC question 15. Triangles ABC, ADE, and EFG are all equilateral. Points D and G are midpoints of AC and AE respectively. If AB equals 4, what is the perimeter of figure ABC? Okay, so for starters, you know that since this AD is the midpoint, so D is the midpoint, that means that AD is 1/2 the length of AC. And you know that this is equilateral, which means that if AB equals 4, that means AC equals 4. And if AC equals 4 and this is half, that means that it should be 2. Which means that this side over here is also equal to 2. And if EG is half of that,